Good morning my dear students, and a very happy day to you all. I hope you all are fine and doing great. I pray for your well-being and safety from the pandemic COVID-19. My dear students, we have started the 6th week of e-learning program and I am your teacher Hassan Rashid. Today is our first lecture of this week for Social Studies Grade 6. And our topic is the climate of Pakistan. So, let's begin our work. My dear students, today our study objectives are to know the seasons of Pakistan and to learn about the climate of Pakistan. My dear students, there are 4 seasons found in Pakistan. These are the seasons of summer, spring, winter and monsoon. Summer season starts in April and ends in September. Winter starts in October and continues till February. Spring is a relatively short season of 2 months, March and April. Monsoon is the rainy season. It starts in August and ends in October. My dear students, according to the climate, Pakistan is divided into 4 regions. These regions are Subtropical Continental Highland, Subtropical Continental Plateau, Subtropical Continental Lowland, Tropical Coastland. Let us see these regions one by one. This slide shows the division of Pakistan according to its climatic regions and the areas of Pakistan that are included in these climatic regions. My dear students, Northern Highlands, Northwestern Mountains, Western Mountains, mountain ranges of Baluchistan are included in the subtropical continental highland. Climate of this region is that the winter remain extremely cold and summer are moderate. This region receives rainfall at the end of winter and at the start of spring. Some parts of this region, for example Murray, has get rainfall all year long. My dear students, areas of subtropical continental plateau include the western parts of Baluchistan. This region receives some rains in only January and February. The climate of this region is extremely hot and dry. Dusty winds blow from May to September. These dusty winds are an important characteristic of the climate of this region. My dear students, areas of subtropical continental lowland include the upper Indus Plain, that is the province of Punjab, and the lower Indus Plain, that is the province of Sindh. Heavy monsoon rains occur in northern Punjab, but there are less rains in remaining parts of this climatic region. Summers are extremely hot in this region. Thal, Coastland and Thar deserts are hottest areas. Wind and thunderstorms take place. My dear students, areas of tropical coastland include the coastal areas of Sindh and Baluchistan. Here, the coastal area of Lasbla receives more rainfall in summers. Western part of this climatic region receives more rainfall in winter. There is very little difference in temperature. Average temperature of this region is 32 degrees Celsius. In summers, breeze blows from sea to land. May and June are the hottest months of this climatic region. My dear students, it is now time to do some written work. Please use your books to prepare the answers of these short questions. My dear students, that's all for today. I hope today's class was informative and you learned some new things. And I am happy that I could play my part. See you next time. Take care. Thank you. And Allah Hafiz.